Alright, so you guys are reading the title. You're probably wondering, what is a Hatman method? Okay, see, the thing about the Hatman method and where it came from was, see, the thing you got to understand about a Hatman method is that it ends up doing exactly what it means and what it says in the title. You know what I mean? The method comes from see, the thing about, I'm gonna tell you what it, I'm gonna do it. I'm just gonna go do it. Cause I have absolutely no idea, okay, where it came from, who originated. I just know AG told me. That's all I know. AG told me how to do it. So if I get it wrong, blame her. I'm gonna go do it upstairs. Alright, you guys, so let me explain to you guys the way I do my Hatman method, okay? Everybody does this a little bit differently. I don't know. I'm just bringing to you guys how I do it. And what you would need, first you need a Durag, a clean one. Don't be running around here with no dirty Durag, putting it on your head after you done washed your hair. You're nasty. You need some oil and your favorite moisturizer. The oils that I'm gonna be using is Traci Loren Explosive Growth Oil. I think this is fire, I'm gonna be honest. Links will be in the description. And the moisturizer that I'll be using, same thing, Traci Loren, aka / Diva Hair Care Products, okay? Diva Stand Up, they did a collab, okay? And this one is called Explosive Growth Moisturizer Cream. What you mean? Shout out, shout out, shout out. This right here, this is that truth though. I'm gonna be honest with y'all. This is that moisturizing cream. I'm gonna be honest. The shampoo that I'm gonna be using, y'all already know. Shout out to Cito. Shout out to the Retro Cake, man. NovaNaturals.org. Shout out to Cito over there at NovaNaturals.org. This is the Retro Cake. Now, if you want impeccable lather, 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 if you want that lavish lather, then I suggest you go over there at Nova Naturals, okay? And possibly get you your own retro cake, okay? And it smells like you could eat it. I'm gonna be honest with you. It smells like it's a cake top. Straight birthday cake top. Y'all know what I'm talking about. I'm also gonna be using my prototype, okay? The V1 medium hard. It's kind of like a medium hard / medium. When I'm gonna come out with this one, I don't know, all right? I'm saving the black bristles. I'm saving the black bristles, all right? Because these bristles right here, these is the ones, okay? So I'm chill out, relax. I know, relax. Now I know y'all need mediums. I know it. Come on now, it ain't like I don't know. I know y'all need a medium. But you gotta wait for it, okay? I ain't got nothing else to say. You gotta wait for it. It's coming. You gotta wait. I'm using this to wash. And basically what a hat method is you're doing the washing style, okay? Wash your hair, brush it in place, make sure the lather is laid, everything is nice and laid in place. You put your do-rag on, you rinse it out. After you rinse it out, you pat dry real quick with a towel. Then you hurry up and take your do-rag off, you put in the moisturizer, and you hurry up and put it in your hair, and you put the do-rag on, and you hurry up so it don't over curl your hair. That's what we about to do. Let's do it. so now that you got everything out of the way as far as your first wash, this second wash is basically to lay your hair down, to make sure everything is laid in place, and just to get everything how you want it, all right, before you rag up. So I'm just gonna do a brush session, make sure everything is properly laid how I want it. Then I'm gonna put my oils in and rag up. Alright you guys, so now that I have everything laid like I want it, so basically what you're gonna do is you're gonna add your oils in, okay? I'm gonna add my oil, boom, right here, Traci Loren. Let's add it in. HustleDreamProduction. Do a slight little brush session just to brush it in, and then rag up. Alright, so now that everything is nice and laid, throw on your do-rag. Alright, make sure it's clean and you're not just throwing on your dirty do-rag that you wore, you know what I'm saying, a couple days ago. So make sure your do-rag is clean. Then after that, I'm gonna rinse it out with cold water. Let's do it. Alright, so now that everything is basically rinsed out, make sure you use cold water, all right? Make sure you use cold water, do not use hot water. Everything is rinsed out. You wanna make sure that you wait until it's like damp. You don't wanna do it when your hair is really wet, because then it's gonna really overcurl and you don't want that. So I like to do it when it's, you know, kinda dryish, damped a little bit. And while I wait, I do wanna let you guys know that the brush is gonna be restocking today, Friday, okay? The brush will be dropping at 5 o'clock Pacific time, okay? Not Eastern, Pacific, the West Coast time, all right? So make sure, if you didn't get one, make sure you go grab one today at 5.
Two hours later.
Alright, so it's been about 15 minutes, and I gotta explain to you guys what I'm gonna be doing, because you gotta do this quick, alright? You can't be playing around when you do this, alright? So right now, I'm gonna take off the do-rag. Pow! You know what I'm saying? Fling it in the background. Take it all the way off. Just toss it. I don't care where it goes, alright? Because I'm gonna be putting on a whole fresh new do-rag, dry, okay? That's what I like to do. If anybody out there, any wavers out there, you know what I'm saying, disagree, I don't care, okay? This is what I do. This is my way I do my hat method, okay? It's the way I do my Hatman method, okay? Alright, so we do that. boom, get a good amount, okay, of the explosive growth moisturizing cream, and boom, I put it in my hair. Make sure I get my crown good. Brush it in lightweight a little bit, just very lightly, okay? Don't go too hard on your brush sessions. You don't want to lift the hair up too much. Throw on your dry do-rag, and then, you know what I'm saying? That's it, all right? Wait till dry. After you take it off, you should be silky smooth. Like, everything should be nice and laid, and everything should be silky. So, let's do it. Let go.
HustleDreamProduction.
Alright, so I know I said I was going to brush it in slightly, but I was taking too long, okay? I'm gonna be honest. I was taking way too long. I didn't want to, you know, risk my hair frizzing up. It was already kind of frizzing a little bit, so I was like, nah, I'm not gonna chance it. That's basically it. Shout out to Gifted for this rag. The link to this rag will be in the description below as well. Shout out to Gifted. Grind with a purpose. This rag is hard. So I'll be back to show you guys the results when it's dry. Alright, guys, we are back. Alright, let's see what the Hatman method, alright, let's see what the results are. Let's do it.
The world ain't all sunshine and rainbows. It's a very mean and nasty place, and I don't care how tough you are, it will beat you to your knees and keep you there permanently if you let it. You, me, or nobody is gonna hit as hard as life. But it ain't about how hard you hit. It's about how hard you can get hit and keep moving forward. How much you can take and keep moving forward. That's how winning is done. Now, if you know what you're worth, then go out and get what you're worth. But you gotta be willing to take the hits and not pointing fingers saying you ain't where you wanna be because of him or her or anybody. Cowards do that, and that ain't you. You're better than that.
Alright, so that's the Hatman method. I feel like it is an incredible method that leaves your hair nice and healthy looking, moisturized, just the health, alright, of your texture. It just brings out the best, alright. Some people do like to use shower caps as well. Put it on, you know what I mean? Steam it in a little bit. This time, I just let it dry on its own and came out nice. All right, I like the results. If you like the video, make sure you give it a thumbs up. You're new to the channel, hit that subscribe button. Also, again, the V1 brush is dropping today. Make sure you stay tuned at 5 o'clock when it drops. You don't want to miss it. Also, to every product that I use, links will be in the description below. It's your boy 360 Jeezy. I'm out of here. Peace.